तो अदील, ये कैंडी क्लब क्या चीज़ है भाई?
Candy Club is basically where kids come and have fun. हमारा basically motto जो आप कह लें वो it's like kids should be naturally involved into what they want to do. जिधर learning actually learning on a daily basis नहीं होती, but eventually learning बच्चों की होती है. वो and it's like they do it all by themselves. We do help them out. हमारा जो बेसिकली थीम है उसको नेचुरल बेस हम लर्निंग करते हैं, जिसमें द बॉन्डिंग विद द किड्स इज़ नेसेसरी. बस अगर हमारा बॉन्ड नहीं बनेगा बच्चों के साथ तो वो क्रिएटिविटी हम बच्चों के अंदर से बेसिकली निकाल नहीं सकेंगे. एंड व्हाट वी डू इज़ बेसिकली हम लोग बच्चों से कारपेंट्री भी कराते हैं, विच इज़ वुड आर्ट. वी मेक देम मेक पॉट्स, विच इज़ पॉटरी. वी मेक देम डू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग. Basically the fun out of learning has been taken out, so we want to bring in the fun part first, और फिर eventually उसमें learning भी साथ साथ होती रहेगी.
So how can people join? How can people join?
People can go to our website, that is candyclub.pk. They can get themselves registered. We also have a Candy Club page on Facebook. They can go visit our Candy Club page. We have ongoing sessions. We have summer camps that we're doing currently at 3 places. We also have ongoing sessions for the whole year. They can go onto our website and register for a month course or 6 months or a year program.
Thank you, Adil. Thank you for doing this.